soup! Hello everyone, my name is Mharz and welcome back to my room. Now, we are cooking another food today, and this one is pretty simple. It's just soup, let's be honest here, but it's not packed soup. I'm not about that, although packed soups are quite good, but this one is, made from ingredients that are not powder, mostly. So this recipe came from this book that is lying around our house, and yeah, I'd like to share it to you guys.
By the way, after you watch this video and you like it, be sure to smash the like button. That would be greatly appreciated. And here's a cute drawing of something in return. Thanks guys!
If you notice, the recipe here calls for flour. I did modify this recipe a bit and I ended up using cornstarch. I will put the recipe in the description down below so you can check it out and try it out if you like. It's a very simple recipe and I think anyone can make it. So let's go to the kitchen.
Okay, so we have a hefty saucepan here, and first step is we're gonna add in some butter, and one day I'll be able to do proper focusing on my shots.
Now we are gonna saute some onions. Feel free to add as much as you want. I actually love onions on dishes like this, but this will do for now. We have to conserve our supplies. And it's time to add evaporated milk. This is the size of the tiny can you can buy at the store. Since we use evaporated milk, we have to add some water into it so there's more soup, More soup means more fun. If you're using regular milk, you don't have to add water, but you have to add more milk. I'll put the details in the description down below so you get what I mean. Probably. Hopefully.
Let it heat up a bit and we can add in the chicken broth. We have cube broth here, but feel free to use what you have at home. Mix it up until the broth dissolves into oblivion. Time for some cheese! Feel free to grate up any amount that suits your taste. This will be one of the flavorings that we will get in this soup. And now that all of those are incorporated, let's add the veggies, namely the celery and carrots. I like to think this recipe is quite flexible and you can add other stuffs too like broccoli and potatoes, but we'll stick with these two for now. Let it simmer until they are nice and cooked. While we wait, let's make the slurry. This will make the soup thick. It's really just a mixture of water and cornstarch. Be careful not to use hot water though, or it will turn lumpy. And trust me, you don't want that. I tried it and it turned into a nightmare. The soup turned lumpy as well, so no, don't do that, okay? Okay. Alright, now that the veggies are nice and cooked, we are gonna add the slurry we made. Mix it up until the soup thickens. I'm not sure if that's a legit word, but you know what I mean. Feel free to season it as well. I like to add some pepper so it'll taste really well. And we are done! It's already in the bowl since me and my mom are gonna have some dinner, but yeah, this is the end result. Model shot!
Well, that was a nice dinner. It was really, really good. I didn't actually add any salt into it because the broth and the cheese already has flavor, and I don't really like super salty things. I got influenced by my mom not to eat super salty things because she has hypertension, and sodium aggravates her blood pressure. So I kinda adapted that and not putting a lot of salt into the soup, but it is really good, and I like the fact that it is very simple to do. And what I love more is that the ingredients for the recipe can be found easily in the market. Although we are in quarantine, so going to the market is hard, but yeah, I pretty much stocked up in supplies. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I think you'll like it. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye!